state of Pennsylvania doesn't have the resources to come get you, so they're going to end up dismissing. You could literally walk out of here and they can rearrest you. When you get arrested, you'd be at the worst possible time in your life.
That admission you just saw, that's the sound of the system crashing. But don't let the dismissal fool you. The real nightmare is just starting. This is the state of Pennsylvania versus Mr. Serrano. He's wanted for 24 separate counts of theft. Serious charges, right? Wrong. It's actually a battle over bus fare. The state is too broke to transport him, so they have to let him go. But here's the trap. The judge explains that while the hold is dropped, the warrant never expires. Mr. Serrano is entering a legal zombie state, free to leave the room, but liable to be arrested 5 minutes later by a different officer. It's an infinite loop of freedom and fear. Subscribe to see the legal loopholes they don't teach in law school. Let's watch the ruling.
It's on Mr. Serrano, Judge.
Serrano, with a C or with an S?
Yes.
So he has an evading out of court 6, and then he's got our case.
So this one is pretty straightforward. It's one where it's where Pennsylvania requested an extension, but it was for the entire 30 days. And because of the nature of it, I know the court wouldn't grant it. And so they've already stated to me that they wouldn't be able to pick up in time. And so I'm going to dismiss it. However, they requested that the court admonish him before I dismiss the case, stating that the warrants are still active and that, but he has 24 counts of failure to appear for retail theft. I mean, it is, and obviously the evading is an aggravating factor, but just admonish him.
Pennsylvania can't come here? I mean,
Not in time. That's what I mean. It's typically the court grants 3 days, but they need the full month. And so because it's not an aggravated offense, you've never granted.
is it just like a retail, like
It's a failure to appear, but it's so many retail thefts, just the aggregate amount that it becomes a felony, but
Sure.
but it was issued out in 2024, 2023.
Are they going to refile the hold?
No, the hold is still the hold is going to be released because we can only hold.
I mean, okay, so
But the
you're going
warrant
to
is
dismiss. Are they going to?
fugitive case because they're unable to pick up in the allotted time, but the warrant is still going to stay active. And so he could get arrested again. He can get arrested in Montgomery County or Liberty County or Galveston, anywhere. It's still active. So, I mean, he could get picked up in 3 days.
So I guess we'll just, at some point,
He made bond on the evading, so he's able to go back
Yeah.
today. I mean, and
surprised that they did, but with the fugitive case, that they gave it to GOB? What? Yeah, they gave it to GOB.
they did.
Yeah, I believe he has court tomorrow.
I think.
Serrano.
No, in 2 days.
Yo te voy a traducir para el juez.
Good morning, sir.
Buenos días, caballero. Buenos días.
You are wanted out of the state of Pennsylvania
Tiene una orden de arresto del estado de Pennsylvania.
for 24 counts of retail theft.
24 acusaciones de hurto de una tienda.
The state of Pennsylvania
Estado de Pennsylvania.
doesn't have the resources to come get you within the allotted time.
Y a venir a buscarte en el tiempo que le toca.
So they're going to end up dismissing or withdrawing the hold.
Van a quitar la orden de detención que
The thing
tienes.
that I want you to understand,
Yo lo quiero que entiendas usted.
that hold
Esa orden de
and that
detención,
Pennsylvania warrant
esa orden de arresto que
will
tiene
always remain active
todavía y va a quedarse siempre activo.
until you go take care of it.
Que usted vaya ahí y
You
termina
could
de ser
literally
encargado.
walk out of here and they can rearrest you.
Literalmente puedes salir de estas puertas y te pueden agarrar y
And every
arrestarte.
time you will sit there for who knows how long.
Y te arrestan y cada vez que pasa eso te vas a quedar ahí atrás y a saber cuánto
So
tiempo.
you take care.
Hasta que usted toma y se ponga en carga de
Yo le
esa
estaba
cosa.
diciendo a la abogada eso mismo, que yo voy a viajar para allá.
I was telling the attorney that very same thing, that I'm going to go travel over there.
I don't care what. It doesn't matter to me.
No me importa ni sé.
I'm telling you,
Yo solo te estoy
so you
diciendo
take care of it.
que hasta que usted
And
se
the thing
termine
is,
ahí con eso,
when you get arrested,
arrestar, si no,
never at a good time.
nunca va a ser un tiempo apropiado.
It'd be
que
at the
puedes,
worst possible time in your life.
tiempo más peor que puede ser.
So it would probably be a good idea
Probablemente sería una buena idea
to take care of it as soon as
para
possible.
arreglar todo este asunto lo más pronto posible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You still have the open case in court 6.
Todavía tienes un caso abierto en la corte
Don't have to
número
worry
6
about that.
y todavía tienes que preocuparte sobre eso.
Anything else?
¿Algo más?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
Nada más.
Good luck to you.
Buena suerte.
Thank you, Your Honor.
caballero.
Excuse-
So the judge released the hold. Mr. Serrano walked out those doors a free man for now. But here's the real question. Is this actually justice? A man with 24 felonies goes free just because the state can't afford a plane ticket? Comment below. Team dismissal or team enforcement? Is it fair to keep a warrant active forever if the state refuses to pay to enforce it? Or should they just drop the charges completely? Hit like if this ruling blew your mind. Share this with anyone who thinks the law always makes sense.